Ever thought you could turn oils and lye into a luxury brand? Handmade soaps can sell for $10 to $25 a bar, and they cost under $1 to make. People are tired of cheap, chemical-packed soaps. They want artisanal, skin-loving, natural alternatives, and they're ready to pay premium prices. It's basic chemistry saponification. You combine fatty acids like olive or coconut oil with sodium hydroxide. Boom! Soap. Safe, luxurious, and customizable. Step 1. Learn a simple cold process recipe. Step 2. Add luxury ingredients, like goat milk, coffee, charcoal, or lavender oil. Step 3. Use silicone molds, let cure for 4 to 6 weeks. Step 4. Wrap and brand your bars. Eco-packaging works best. You can start small, even in your kitchen. Cost per bar, around 80 cents to $1.20. Selling price, $10 to $25. That's a 900 to 2,000% profit margin. Sell 100 bars per month, that's $1,000 to $2,500 extra income. You don't need a lab, you don't need investors, just chemistry knowledge, a few tools, and your creativity. Build a brand that smells great, and sells even better. Ready to turn soap into your side hustle? Comment, "I want to make soap," like, subscribe, and follow for more chemistry-powered business ideas. Next up, Episode 5, How to Extract Valuable Oils from Kitchen Waste. Don't miss it.